Well, it's interesting. Traditionally, we've always focused in vitamin D on calcium and bone, but over time, we've really come to understand that there's a lot of other different biological effects of vitamin D. So we're going to have things about aging, cancer, brain function, and one of the ones I think that's particularly relevant today is about immunology. Clearly, in this COVID world, we're really interested in anything that might prevent or lessen the effects of COVID. And vitamin D has been really touted as one of those things that might do it.
As a cancer researcher, I'm really looking forward to hearing more of an update on the mechanistic aspects of vitamin D and cancer. And we're going to have a couple of really excellent talks in that area. We're going to have a talk on VDR signaling, particularly in relation to ethnicity, and that'll be in prostate cancer. And we'll have another talk on the intersection between vitamin D and anti-tumor immunity, and that'll be in head and neck cancer, and whether these two pathways perhaps synergize to reduce cancer progression. So we have the genomics of the individual that is affecting how they utilize vitamin D. And then we also have the heterogeneity of the tumor in which the vitamin D pathway is often deregulated. So there's huge gaps there that I hope we're going to address in this meeting. We are bringing together cell and molecular biologists, geneticists, nutrition researchers, endocrinologists, clinicians, epidemiologists. We have a very diverse group.
Yeah, no, our meeting is unique in that regard, that we really welcome the breadth of what people might do in the field and try to get them talking to each other. I think that's really novel about what we do.
Getting people together is what's going to synergize and drive these new collaborations. I think we can do that virtually.
This is an interesting time for us. Moving to a virtual meeting changes a lot of dynamics. But we've been away for a long time, and we really needed to come together again. So I think that when we look at a virtual meeting, it gives us a real opportunity to deal with a larger audience than we've had before.
Yeah, so in 40 years, this is our first virtual meeting. So we have a long history, and typically we do meet every year. So we have a 2-year gap now. So I think that's one exciting thing. And looking at the different virtual platforms, we chose Keystone because I think their platform is really very dynamic, very robust. They have a lot of social media integration. I think we're going to be able to spread our word. We're going to be able to get people together and just, we need that at this time. So I think it's really exciting. I'm looking forward to it.